have come here once before. मैं खींची चली आ रही हूँ इस जगह, खींची चली आ रही हूँ. मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मलाड की छोटी छोटी गली में एक ऐसा भी कुछ होगा. Kung Thai, the Asian Thai cuisine. मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मलाड की एक छोटी गली में, एक छोटी लेन में हमें सुशी मिलेगी. Mouth watering food. I can't wait to eat. Come. Hi guys.
Hello ma'am, welcome to Kung Thai.
Thank you.
so much.
That's Barbara. She is the owner of this place. And like I said, I've come here once before. And I am a huge fan of this place. Barbara, can you tell me why Malad? Why sushi? Why Pan Asian?
Well ma'am, today, all this oriental cuisine, this is a hype among youngsters.
Yeah.
And today the sushi and all these cuisines are trending. So that's why we thought that, the cuisine that you get either in a 5-star or, fine dining restaurant, and otherwise you will not get it in the local Chinese restaurant. So why not bring it to people, who can actually savor the sushi and the Burmese and the Japanese cuisine. So we
But
thought
मैंने यहाँ की golden fried prawns खाए, मैंने sushi खाया, sushi platter, मैंने यहाँ noodles खाए, मैंने यहाँ उनकी जो एक special dessert है sticky rice with mango sticky rice. I am like a great huge fan of this place. जोर से बोलो.
Snap that plate, story डाल तू, cocktails मिलाओ, gossips ला तू, foodie है gang, आज no die, 'cause your Delnas is such a wine. Swadar se tere with Delnas, 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 swadar se tere with Delnas. Swadar सितारे with Delnas, स्वादर सितारे with Delnas.
स्वाद तो है, लेकिन ये हमारा सितारा है आज के लिए.
तड़का भी है, तड़का.
तड़का, yes, that's right. चलिए आने दीजिए खाना.
ये वेज है. डेलू को मुंह ही बन गया.
ये वेज है, ले भाई वेज खा. चिट्टू तेरा वेज. चिट्टू आज तो मुझे ये तो सिखाना पड़ेगा यार.
डेलू मैंने
तुझे आता है क्या?
मुझे आता है. बट डेलू मैंने जितनी बार ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ ना, आज चलो मेरी भी परीक्षा है. डेलू
क्या ये नॉन वेज है?
अरे रे 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 देखो.
अच्छा ओके.
डेलू
वाओ, दिस इज अ नॉन वेज सुशी. ओके, तो ये हो गया ये.
ओके.
अच्छा, अभी कक्षा में पेन पकड़ा.
जैसे पेन पकड़ा लाइक दिस.
हाँ,
So you
हाँ.
hold it
थोड़ा दूर, थोड़ा दूर.
थोड़ा सा
ओके.
दूर ऐसे पेन, and then try to just put this also. Like
Try to just put this
Yeah.
also. Okay. फिर
and
फिर
then-
ये पकड़ा मैंने.
नहीं नहीं, अरे देखो देखो देखो, ये वो वाली है जिनको ना पीछे बेंच में बैठ के सीधा फर्स्ट क्लास आना है.
दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा. मैं
Then wait, no. First, get this. If you can do, दोनों हाथ से भी, just do this. First, try if you can do this.
This.
And then,
नो चिट्टू.
yes, do.
तुझे ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि तू हार, तुझे ये बोल रहा हूँ तू कर सकता है, तू करेगा.
मैं
Try,
ट्राई
try,
करती हूँ.
try, try, try it. Hold it like this, from the center. सिखाते सिखाते मेरा ही ना गिर जाएगा.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर.
So this is the non-veg dim sum platter.
Lovely.
And this hot. And this is the veg.
Ooh,
This is the veg. Wow.
nice. It's too much.
Yeah, I like this, yaar.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
The dim sums are awesome. Awesome.
This is nice. How do you which one is yours?
This is chicken.
Chicken. Daddy, you don't want to try veg?
I will. नॉन-वेज भी खाओ फिर वेज भी खाओ.
ये जो नॉन वेजिटेरियन वालों के फायदे होते हैं.
The dim sums are awesome. ये कैसा है?
Nice. Try it. It's nice and spicy. Nice, no?
Lemon coriander chicken soup.
Mine is veg thupka. Okay.
Thupka.
Thupka. Thupka.
वो होता है ना.
I get it, Delu. It is nice. But like, okay. So, Delu, you know I come from Dehradun, hai na?
Yeah.
So this is our common
Yeah,
food in
yeah,
Dehradun.
yeah,
Can you
yeah.
imagine I've never gotten the name right?
Actually, but I wanted to actually ask you कि तूने तो ये पिया होगा घड़ी घड़ी.
बहुत पिया है, like with the momos and all of that.
Yeah.
But still, I'm not a huge fan of liquidy, like a soupy sort of noodle.
Yeah.
Right? But this tastes really, really nice. It has like a lot of flavor. You must really try this. This is
Yeah, you
But I
okay?
know, no, yeah, of course, go for it.
नहीं किसी किसी को पसंद नहीं होता है ना ऐसे.
Ah, that's true also.
हम भी जानते हैं कि इसको पसंद नहीं होता है. हमारे ग्रुप में भी एक ऐसा है इंसान.
कौन है वो? We can do a little bit, no, Konmu?
नो मतलब एक स्पून दूसरे में
Oh,
डालना
like
वो वाला.
that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. अच्छा, हाँ, like that way. Yes, of course.
वो किसी किसी को पसंद नहीं आता ना.
How do you like this?
I like it. It's hot. It's like spicy and
Yeah.
tangy. And
It's spicy, tangy, and it will work so well if we'll eat this. It will clear your palate. It's like a palate cleanser.
yeah, what is this?
I can see some broccoli.
This is, I think, stir fried.
Oh, yes. I can try it.
Awesome stir fried vegetables. I like the crunchiness. Chittu,
Yes,
look at the
I
crunchiness.
was just about to say that. This is so
इतना क्रंची है कि दांत से आवाज आ रहा है कच कच कच.
Say it, do it again.
And this is prawns and squids.
Are the squid also called calamari? I know my non-veg food at least. This is calamari also, right?
This is butter, garlic with a little bit of spice.
Looks delicious.
So let's make it very clear to our audience. नहीं तो आजकल क्या होता है ना, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे कमेंट करने लग जाते हैं. मुझे क्लियर करना है कि चित्राशी ऐसे नहीं है कि रिलीजियस रीजन से
Yeah, no.
वेज है. शी जस्ट डज नॉट लाइक इट. सो प्लीज ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ओ मैंने नॉनवेज खाया और देन मैंने स्पून उसमें डाला, तो आपने स्पून उसमें क्यों डाला वेजिटेरियन में. ऐसे सब आंटी लोग कमेंट
Yes,
करेंगे.
yes. Uncle
भैया
भी-
लोग भी, अंकल लोग भी कमेंट करेंगे.
और चिंटू फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़.
हाँ, चिंटू भैया भी करेंगे चंडीगढ़ से. तो भाई ये सब नहीं चाहिए. सोचने हम तो दोस्त है, हम सब कुछ खाते हैं एक दूसरे की प्लेट में ऐसे हाथ डाल के. नॉन वेज आ गया. चिट्टू बाल बांध के
Tell you,
खाना ही
ये
पड़ेगा.
हद होती है, वैसे बता दूं. मतलब आई एम द गेस्ट हियर.
आई नो बट
ये
अभी क्या
दोस्ती का ना, ये इसे कहते हैं कि दोस्ती का एकदम क्लियर कट फायदा उठाया जा रहा है कि चिट्टू कितना ही खाएगी यार, चिट्टू खाती रहेगी.
तू खाती
थोड़ा
नहीं है
बहुत
यार.
वेज.
मजा आया.
दिस इज
कैलेंडर खाना दो, कैलेंडर खाना दो, वेज वेज वेज.
मेरे को जितना खिलाना था खिला लिया है ना.
Don't tell me now I have to have this broccoli.
ये जो चुन चुन के ब्रोकली है,
ये तो खा.
ये जो चुन चुन के ब्रोकली है वो तू खा ले.
नहीं, please you eat. I love watching you eat.
कैरेट्स है Okay.
On a very serious note, it's always fun to see you eat because you eat with so much joy and passion. It's always fun.
And this is my favorite.
Yes. All food are your favorite, Delu.
Crunchy bao.
शर्म भी नहीं आ रही है, बस कह के
तुम्हें शर्म है कुछ?
मैं खा रही हूँ ना, तो देख।
मैं देख रही हूँ।
शो का नाम है स्वाद और सितारे। तू
मैं
सितारा,
You are
मैं
taking-
स्वाद है।
मैं स्वाद चखूंगी and the सितारा। वाह डेलू वाह, this is super. How is it but?
भाई लाओ यार, इनके लिए, गरीबों के लिए कुछ। Wow, this is Thai curry.
हाथ मारना है इसमें भी। कृपया थोड़ी शर्म करे मेरे थाई करी पे, थोड़ा सा रहम करे।
This fish, the sauces, I love the sesame inside.
डेलू,
Huh?
you will try my wet Thai curry. You will follow it chicken. Try it. It's so nice and creamy with like really coconut.
I love the Thai curry because there's coconut flavor in it.
Yeah,
No?
same. I also love it. And you know what I love the most? That it's not spicy. Usually people make it
मजा आ गया।
very spicy when they make red Thai curry, but this is perfect. This is a perfect balance.
तो खाओ ना, खाओ।
मैं तो
I'm
खा रही हूँ, tell you, you want to try more?
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh my
Oh no! This is a lot. Delu, I have something that I want to say.
This is kung pao cottage cheese,
This is
cow fat fried rice. Wait,
this is cow.
cow fat fried rice.
Okay.
This is hakka noodles.
Okay.
That is chicken Hong Kong. And this is cottage cheese kung pao.
Okay. So, Chitu, don't you think the portions are like too much?
Yes, I mean it's good. It's cost
It's,
effective.
yes, it's very economical. थोड़ा थोड़ा taste कर लेते हैं.
Little bit we can taste. अब तो भाई अगर देखो महाफूडी लोगों ने अगर हाथ धर दिया है कि अब उनसे भी नहीं हो पाएगा, तो हम लोग बहुत पीछे हैं. But I will still taste it because this looks really nice. Yum 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 yum. This is my paneer, a little bit of protein. Good. With cashew and everything. Nice.
Yum.
What are you saying, Delu?
Yum.
Overeating now.
Mmm. The flavors are really good.
देखो वो आ गया. देखो वो आ गया.
Chitu, this is specially for you. This is the USP of this place.
Yes.
It's called sticky rice with mango, as you can see.
Yes.
ज़्यादा कुछ सोचना मत.
नहीं, not
बस
at all.
खाली
Delu. I have been waiting for this.
Okay, I am not a mango person.
Oh,
So I
oh.
just relish this.
My mango I dropped, but which I'm going to remove it.
जितना ठंडा होता है ये उतना अच्छा है. Right sweetness, खा. हाँ बेटा तो खा. है ना कमाल?
This is so worth it. This is so nice.
I'm telling you, it's awesome. Chitu,
This is superb, Delu. Totally worth it. Now I know why you were talking about this for last 3 days. Chittu, I will make you eat this. Chittu, I will make you eat
and
this.
eat a little mango just for the heck of it.
This is superb.
है ना?
Delu, we are not keeping the guns down. We are eating more.
Please enjoy because सारा खाना तो इतना अच्छा था ही. But the first time when I had this, like I said, I'm not a mango person.
Yeah.
But when I had this, it was like, ये तो कुछ और ही है भाई.
You're not a very dessert person also.
Yeah,
I am.
yeah, I know.
That's why you were selling me this.
I know.
Chalo. Good choice.
है ना?
Very good choice. This is really nice, yeah.
I so love this. The first time we came here, Percy and me, we were like, boss, बहुत अच्छा है. And I think worth every penny. This place, Chittu.
Yes.
I guess people who belong to the suburbs, it's not only Malad, but Kandivali, Borivali, Andheri, people should come here and try this place out. And I think, you know what, Chittu, I always feel that a lot of people, a lot of us, we go for fine dining, we, kind of
Yeah, of course.
do our. But when there's a startup like this, where people like Barbara and her husband, they've just started up with something like this, I always feel that one should be with them, one should go to such places
100%.
I always feel it's about the food. It's not about
Always
the
about
place.
the food. Look at me go.
Yeah,
You
it's
keep
about
talking.
the food. With me, at least it's about the food.
Yeah.
And of course the hygiene. And we've seen the hygiene and we've seen the ambience, and it's small but it's pretty. It's
Yes.
lovely.
It's quaint.
Okay, there is a bigger surprise coming. Guys, if ये तुम्हारे लिए एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट है.
Thank you. You know me too well.
So thank you for coming.
My pleasure.
Thank you for being my sitara. And thank you for taking the swad of this episode. And thank you for always being there.
Thank you so much, Jalu.
Ma'am, how are you?
Hi.
I'm your big fan, ma'am.
Acha. Your big fan, your big. Me or her?
Both.
Both.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
please.
come. How sweet. क्या है ना आपका नाम क्या है? वीर.
Very
Good luck, वीर.
Very good. Good luck.
Thank you,
All the
ma'am.
best. Thank you.
मैंने आपको देखा है चक दे इंडिया में.
अरे
हॉकी लेके आई हाँ?
मैं देखा तो मैं डर गया था.
मारते भी हूँ वैसे मैं, डरना तो चाहिए मुझसे.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Pretty woman.
I love this.
Okay,
The
we
balance
say a
is
big
all.
thank you to both of you.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being here.
Please, आइए.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you
Thank you
so
so much. It was
Thank you so
lovely.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much,
Thank you
Barbara.
so
And it was lovely. I wish and pray, we both wish and pray that
Yes.
the place really does well.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
All the best and congratulations.
Thank you so
Superb.
much.
Okay, दोस्तों, we had solid fun,
Yes.
great food, बहुत स्वाद, बहुत मजे आए. Next, we'll have some more sitara and some more swad. So keep watching my show, guys. Swad और सितारे with Delnaz.
Like, share and subscribe our channel, guys. जल्दी.
बोला ना, नहीं तो हॉकी स्टिक पड़ेगी. इस हफ्ते का स्वाद ठीक से चखा क्या कॉन्टेस्ट का क्वेश्चन. कुंग थाई रेस्टोरेंट की ओनर का नाम बताइए. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द ओनर ऑफ दिस रेस्टोरेंट कुंग थाई. बहुत सारे जीतने वालों को मेरे साथ सीजन 2 में आने का मौका मिलेगा. उसके अलावा कुछ विनर्स को उस रेस्टोरेंट में 10% डिस्काउंट का कूपन भी मिलेगा. So hurry up and give your answers on Swad or Sitare with delnaz@gmail.com. Roll, guys, roll! Our star is here.
ओह माय गॉड, इतनी तारीफ कर रही है यार, मैं कहाँ छुप जाऊँ? कहाँ से धरती फट जाए, मैं इसमें समा जाऊँ. पीली परी. ये लाल परी
ये है कॉमेडी.